Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth to your Chevrolet Equinox. First, ensure your vehicle is on and in park, with the infotainment system powered up. Next, grab your mobile device and navigate to its settings. Turn on Bluetooth and make sure it is discoverable to other devices. Now, let's move to your Equinox's infotainment screen. Locate and touch the phone icon. From the options presented, select either Pair Device or Add Phone. This action will prompt your vehicle's system to start searching for nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices, preparing for connection. With your vehicle actively searching, return to your mobile device. In your phone's Bluetooth settings, you should now see your Chevrolet Equinox listed among the available devices. Tap on its name, which might appear as My Link or Chevrolet Equinox, to initiate the connection process. Almost there, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the Equinox's infotainment screen. Carefully confirm that these two codes match exactly. Once verified, accept the pairing request on both your mobile device and the vehicle's screen. Your phone is now successfully connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.